Hey everybody, Ant here. Today I'm making something that's really important to me once again. That is a sausage breakfast quesadilla. The reason why this one is real important to me is aside from the fact that I love making breakfast, but my Uncle Ben, he unfortunately passed away suddenly last year, and this was, I believe, one of the last things I ever made for him. So I always think about him whenever I make it this way. Now, you should be familiar with the tortilla dough from the rap video. Rap video? Hey, that's great. My name is Ed, and I'm here to... I don't know how to snap my fingers. Anyway, you should be familiar with the dough from the WRAP video. Now, basically, we're going to separate these into two tortillas, of course, but they're going to be larger tortillas because it's for a quesadilla, so there's no way it'll fit into the tortilla press. So we're going to have to do the dough ball the old-fashioned way with the floured rolling pin. Now, you'll roll out the tortillas until they both look like this, and you know what? They actually won't fit inside the skillet if they're that large. Hold on one second. Okay, that's better. Now we can... So what if they're creases? They're homemade. And you should be familiar with this part by now. Cook each tortilla for 1 minute and 30 seconds on the first side and 1 minute and 15 seconds on the other side. Ah, delicious, fresh tortillas. But you know what? Of course we had to flour our counter here, but let's clean this up so we can get all the proteins and everything else started. Okay, let's get to the protein. So we have our sausage patty here. Now what you'll notice is that I actually didn't season this. You know why? Because sausage doesn't need to be seasoned because, well, it's already naturally seasoned. I don't know the science of it. Anyway, you're going to fry it on medium-high heat, of course, for 3 minutes on the first side and 2 minutes 45 seconds on the other side. Okay, I just scrambled up 2 eggs here. Now, people who know me may look confused because they know I like cheese on my eggs. Well, the cheese is coming. It's right here. Yeah, I know I usually buy Marble Jack, but the store was out of it. Here's the thing. When I make quesadillas, I'm just used to putting the cheese right on top of the protein or whatever the preceding layer was. And I do the same thing with the breakfast quesadillas. I mean, you can put the cheese, beat it right into the egg like I normally do when I'm cooking scrambled eggs normally. Man, it'll be fine. Speaking of that though, I think that you should actually beat scrambled eggs on medium heat, not medium high, because you actually have to stand up there the entire time beating the egg in the skillet, and it might get a little too hot for you while you're doing that. I mean, sure, you could be wearing an oven mitt, or wait, you don't need an oven mitt because you're not using the oven. You could be holding a hot pad. Yeah, and what was I talking about? Oh, anyway, let's get to layering this bad boy. So as you can see, I've already layered the bottom with sausage diced up now, the eggs and the cheese, and I could cover it up right now, but I want to add a few more things to it. First, we'll add some lettuce, and okay, it's kale. What can I say? I like kale. You can still add lettuce. And some diced tomato. That should do it. Doesn't that look good? Now we're gonna... It doesn't look like a quesadilla. I got to put the other tortilla on top, don't I? There we go. Now I think it's time to eat. But I like eating quesadillas with sour cream. Homemade sour cream. Yeah, right. That's too extreme even for me. Anyway. Come on. Now that is some delicious Mexican American cuisine. Actually, Is it Mexican American or is it American Mexican? I figure that out some other day. Well, that's all I have for you. You know where to look if you like the recipe. Thanks for being here. Hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed it. And Ben, hope you enjoyed it too.